at home, this is Darsha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I'm going to share my top 5 lipsticks under rupees 400. So I have already done part 1 of this where I have shared my top 5 lipsticks under rupees 200, and yeah, we'll drop the link of that video too in the description box. So in this video I'm going to share my 5 most favorite lipsticks which are under rupees 400. The MRP is under rupees 400, but you will get these lipsticks at a great discount, and after discounts all these lipsticks lie under rupees 300. So yeah, that's a great deal. And yeah, here we go, and let's just get started with today's video. Alright, so starting up with this lipstick, which is not a lipstick, it's basically a crayon, and the crayon that I'm talking about is from Maybelline. So this is Maybelline's New York Color Show Intense Crayon, high coverage matte finish, and this is how the lip crayon looks like. I've already used it a lot, and yeah, I'm going to show you the shade. Basically, this is how the shade looks like. This is in the shade Passionate Plum, and this is a beautiful plum shade, and the MRP of this crayon is 349, but you will get it on a great discount. I got this for 249, and yeah, I got this from Amazon. We'll leave the link of the lipstick and also all the lipsticks that I'm going to talk in this video in the description box, so you guys can check it out. So talking about the formula is amazing. It's written that it is a matte finish, but this is not like a pure matte. It's like a crayon, like a normal crayon, but with a very good finishing and a very good formula. So yeah, this is my first lipstick. Moving on to the next lipstick, which is again from Maybelline, and this is a liquid lipstick, and this is Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte, and this is basically a very pretty new shade. I'm going to show you the shade right now. So this is how the shade looks like. See how perfect, like this is a pure nude shade and I absolutely love it. So this is a lipstick which I don't wear alone. Like I apply a lipstick, like I apply another range lipstick, and uske upar se I apply this. Like I mostly go for NY shade number 1 nude lipstick. So that is too again a new shade, but that is a dark shade in comparison of this one. So this is again a very affordable and amazing lipstick. Now talking about the MRP. The MRP of this one is 399, but offer keeps on running, so you will get it at 249, 299. Moving on to the third lipstick. This is a bullet lipstick from Colorbar, and this is how this lipstick looks like. This is a very beautiful red shade. I'm going to show you this shade right now. So this is how this bullet looks like, and this is what the shade looks like. So I'm someone who is not into red lipsticks because I think that red lipsticks make me look more mature. So yeah, I don't use red lipsticks more, and if you are someone just like me who don't like red lipstick on yourself, then you can surely go for this shade. This is not like a pure red shade, very warm wala shade. This is a very neutral shade, like it's very subtle, it's very pretty, and I absolutely love the formula. It's pure matte. So bullet lipstick, as you can see, the crayon, Maybelline's crayon is not that matte, but the Colorbar lipstick is matte. And talking about the MRP of this one, this lipstick is just for 340 rupees, but you will get this on an offer, on a great discount again, and I got this for 276 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, this is again a great lipstick under rupees 400. I'm going to talk about my favorite brand lipsticks. I love using Lakme brand lipsticks because the formula, the range, the color is so pretty and it suits my skin tone really well. Every shade is so pretty in itself, and so Lakme is an Indian brand, as you all know, and all those lipsticks, all the shades are perfectly made for Indian skin tones. So you can surely pick any range, any shade of Lakme brand. And of course the next lipstick that I'm going to talk about is from Lakme, and this is their bullet lipstick, and these are under rupees 400. So the lipstick that I'm talking about from Lakme is their Inris Satin range, and this is a beautiful pink shade. So this is how this lipstick looks like. I'm gonna show you the shade. Oh no, oh no.
A few moments later.
And you guys have already seen कि मेरी lipstick के साथ क्या हुआ. So still I'm going to show you the shade. So yeah, this is how the shade looks like. This perfectly matches with my dress, like the kurta that I'm wearing. This is in the same color, and yeah, this is how the shade looks like. The shade I'm going to share the shade. So the shade number is P16. They don't have a shade name. And yeah, this is how the shade looks like. This is so pretty, and I'm very sad that the lipstick toot gayi. Like, and in the same range, the Enriched Satin range, I have another shade, and this is a bold red shade. So again, I'm not into bold red shades, but still I have this one, and I'm going to show you the shade. This is a beautiful red shade, and yeah, this is how the shade looks like. This looks so pretty. This is a bold red lipstick. See, like, it's so beautiful. It is a perfect pretty red shade. And talking about the MRP of these are just 285 rupees, so they are under rupees 300. But you can get it at a great discount. Whenever the discounts are running on Amazon or Flipkart, just check it out. And finally, moving on to the next and the last lipstick of this video, and this lipstick is going to be from My Glam, and this is how this lipstick looks like. This is the outer cardboard packaging, and I'm gonna quickly remove the cardboard packaging. And this is how the lipstick looks like. This looks so pretty. The packaging is so pretty, and you can see like this lipstick is matching my dress. And I would have probably wore this lipstick today, but I don't know the reason why I have not worn this lipstick today. Anyway, moving on to the lipstick, I'm going to show you the shade. So हाथ में कहीं जगह ही नहीं बची है. So if you can see, this and the Lakme, both the shades are similar, but the difference is that this is a matte lipstick. अभी 2-3 सेकंड में ये dry out हो जाएगी, and this is a matte lipstick, but this is not that matte. Like, if you can see, this is a little bit glossy. Both the shades are not exactly the same, but एक दो शेड का डिफरेंस है, and yeah, both the shade looks pretty similar. And you can grab this lipstick from My Glam app, and the price of this one is just rupees 395. So yeah, this is again a very pretty, amazing, beautiful, affordable lipstick. Yeah, that's probably it for today's video. I really hope you guys found this video interesting and helpful, and I will make sure to drop all the links of all these lipsticks in the description box, and also I will drop the link of My Glam app below in the description box. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also hit that small bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you guys get notified. And yeah, we'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.